Hey everybody, welcome back to Bayside Auto Mall. Today we've got 2010 Mitsubishi Outlander. It's got 114,000 miles on a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder motor. Super clean engine, super smooth. Listen to that MIVAC. It's a fog lamp package, nice alloy wheels. Vehicle is a cloth interior with a really nice sport seat. Gives you a nice hug. Automatic transmission. Controls for thermostat and radio infotainment. Controls on the steering wheel for Bluetooth, other controls, cruise. Does have windows, locks, and mirrors, and a sunroof. This vehicle does have a third row, so you can access that. 7 passengers in total. One of the funnest things about this vehicle is it's a sport utility with a lift gate and a tailgate and a subwoofer from Rockford Fosgate. Has an incredible sound. Third seat does stow away for a flat back surface. Roomy little sport utility. It's got a little bit of miles, 10 years old. It's right at average.